Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's up?
Not much.
How's it going?
It's going well.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your day?
It was great.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
What is your name?
My name is Laura.
Where are you from?
I am from Hong Kong.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you repeat that?
No problem.
How do you spell it?
It is L-O-R-A.
What does this mean?
It means hello.
How old are you?
I am 40 years old.
When is your birthday?
It is in May.
What do you do?
I am a podcaster.
Where do you work?
I work in a studio.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Who do you live with?
I live with my kids.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am working.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am starving.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need some water.
Are you tired?
Yes, I want to sleep.
How do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Is something wrong?
No, everything is fine.
What is the matter?
I have a headache.
Do you need a doctor?
No, I will be okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
What are you doing?
I am recording.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
What do you want?
I want a cup of tea.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Is it yours?
No, it is not mine.
Whose is this?
It is John's.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I help you?
I am just looking, thanks.
How much is this?
It is $20.
Do you have this in black?
Let me check.
Do you have a smaller size?
Yes, here you go.
Can I try it on?
The fitting room is over there.
How does it fit?
It fits perfectly.
Will you take it?
Yes, I will buy it.
Cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you.
Can I get a receipt?
Here is your receipt.
What time does the store close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it is half price.
Do you sell stamps?
Sorry, we don't.
Where is the supermarket?
It is down the street.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 30 days.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It is on the right.
How do I get to the station?
Go straight ahead.
Is it far for here?
No, it is very close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it takes 10 minutes.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It is next to the bank.
Which bus goes to the airport?
Take bus number 5.
How much is the ticket?
It is $2.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at noon.
Is this seat taken?
No, it is free, on.
Can you call a taxi for me?
Sure, wait a moment.
Where to?
To the hotel, please.
Please stop here.
Okay, that is $10.
I am lost.
Can I look at your map?
Are we there yet?
Almost there.
Where can I park my car?
You can park behind the building.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Do you have the time?
Yes, it is 4:30.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What is the date today?
It is the 1st of May.
When will you arrive?
I will arrive tomorrow.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for a week.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny and hot.
Is it raining outside?
No, but it is cloudy.
Do I need an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain later.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am relaxing at home.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
I am meeting a friend.
When is the meeting?
It is at 2 p.m.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I have no plans.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Can I see the menu?
Here you go.
What do you recommend?
The steak is very good.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I will have the chicken.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
How does it taste?
It is delicious.
Is it spicy?
No, it is mild.
Can I have some more water?
Right away.
Can we have the bill, please?
Sure, I will bring it now.
Is service included?
Yes, it is included.
Save this. Learn with me. Let's practice.